Hey guys, it's Cliff with Induction Innovations. Today we're back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about our Inductor Series. Believe it or not, Mini-Ductors are not where we started, even though we're world famous for that. We actually began with our Inductor 2000, as you guessed it, in the year 2000. Today we're on our Inductor Pro-Max, our Glass Blaster, and our Inductor Max. So this series is built for your collision professionals. Comes with 3 base attachments. We have our concentrator attachment, fast off pad, and glass blaster, all included in your starter kits. We do have additional attachments such as the PDR baton, Rosebud, and U555. Now the U555, it does look like a Mini-Ductor, but it is a Mini-Ductor on steroids. It does require either a Max or Pro-Max power supply in order to run. Now these attachments, they're great for multiple different applications. However, some of the base ones and big ones that we run into in the collision industry: glass removal, self-leveling seam sealer, spray-on bed liner, frame straightening, door moldings, SMC panels. We can heat up all those applications and get them safely removed with induction heat. The nice part with our Inductor series, the country of origin, you guessed it, we actually make them right here in the United States of America, right in Elgin, Illinois. You can find these on a tool truck near you. Remember, do it better, do it faster, do it safer with Induction Innovations.